Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about two rarely used HTML tags, subscript and superscript. Let's begin by looking at a mathematical formula on the screen. You can see that the square 2 is smaller than 5 and appears slightly above it. This is done using the superscript tag. Now, let's look at another example. On this website, the chemical formula of aluminum sulfate is displayed. In this formula, the numbers 2, 4, and 3 appear smaller and below the regular text. These are created using the subscript tag. On the screen, you can see a web page that uses both subscript and superscript. Let's take a look at the HTML code. In my example, I've used an h1 tag to display both subscript and superscript tags. The explanation is written inside two p tags. I've included the formula a plus b squared equals a plus squared plus b squared plus 2ab using the superscript tag for the squared terms. Similarly, I've written the chemical formula for water using subscript tags to show the number 2 in H2O. This is how the syntax for subscript and superscript tags looks in HTML. Now it's time for a quick exercise. Try writing the following formula using superscript and write the chemical formula for aluminum sulfate using subscript tags. Give it a try in your HTML editor.